What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Cha Brothers Loft here. I do apologize for not posting how frequently like how I always been. There has been some things that's been happening in the family, so I've been focusing on my family, but at the same time I've been trying to balance that out, work and the birds. So without further ado, young birds are growing, they're vaccinated, they're on the ground. Let me go get my jacket and let's go check them out. Young birds have been on the ground for I think 2-3 days now. Today's day 3 that they've been on the ground. And look at them. They're learning. The little guy is eating by himself, or him or herself already as well. Little boot guy right there. These guys over here picking on grit. A lot of things to look for now, okay? For one, I really like community breeding. There's a few benefits for it, what I believe in. Also during this time, breeding season up here in Minnesota, it's cold. So there's only one water heater, one drinker, everybody shares it. It's tough to do individual breeding, and the water drinkers will freeze up and you have to change every single one of them. This is one Perks. One of them, I don't know, I think all of them are actually not his kids. So he's a lot of the breeders here today, they will feed all the young birds. There's some that still bother the parents to eat. A lot of them have learned how to do it themselves. Eat, drink, pick on grit. And I got the lazier ones, the ones that are chilling back here. It's cold today in Minnesota. Low 30s right now. It's been muggy. It rained the other day. It snowed yesterday. This is also another stressful part of the breeding season for the young birds and for the breeders. Yeah, these guys are learning. Parents are still feeding. Like I said, some of them are still learning how to eat and drink. I took my water drinker already. I need to go fill it up. These guys are eating grit. That's a good sign. I like them to learn early. I go by monkey see, monkey do. These guys learn by watching the breeders eat, drink, while they spend time on the ground, on the floor. A lot of things to look for. Oh, I'm gonna cut right here. So that young bird just took a nice dookie. Looks pretty good. There's another fresh one right here as well. Let's see if I can get it. Ah, there you go. Next to that cord. Here's a nice one too. So I just finished scraping. Oh, this one too. So good droppings. I just finished scraping the loft before I gave them feed. And those are the young birds dropping, so I think they're doing fine. Oh, here goes some more droppings right there. Great indicator of health. Oh, here goes another one. That one just took a nice dropping too. Nice dropping. So great indicator of health. Today also being cold. But you know, young birds, they have weight on them. They're eating by themselves, drinking by themselves, and you know, parents will feed them as well. This is only the best you can look for and hope for. Just wait for them to mature up, and then I'll select the best young birds that I can pick out to the one-off races and to the fraternities. Here they have my grit mix. Pick on that. Over there I have 3 separate grit mixes, just so they can kind of pick out. And I have a little pick pot of like my special red mineral powder with some other stuff in there. Look at them go. This is great. Everything's going pretty well. Young birds are growing. These guys just chilling, like I said earlier. Chill day. Just enjoy these guys, watch them, observing. I'm just happy that these guys know how to eat grit, so that's all that matters to me. This is a good sign. All these are all young birds except for that pencil in the back with that blue bar splash. Everybody else is a young bird picking on grit. You guys enjoy that, don't you? Oh, a few things. This guy here has some bronzing. The nestmate also, if I can find him or her, also has some bronzing as well. Where'd it go? Where did the nestmate? Oh, there it is. This is the nestmate right here. Lots of blue bar, lots of splash and white flights this year. This is the most I've bred from, or got young birds that are splash and white flights. So pretty cool. Let them do their own thing. Oh, this guy too. This guy has some bronzing too. That's from my double aviator onto a very inbred icon head. Double aviators, like aviator rocket on top, aviator black wood on the bottom, onto a half sister of Turcon. Looking good. Oh, that's Uncle Sam. Another bronze bar cockbird right there. He has yet to bring me any recessive reds or any babies with bronzing, so I'm still waiting. Was looking good. Look at these guys go. These young birds are killing it. They're messing around with the grit. That's a great sign. Remember, monkey see, monkey do. Let the young birds learn. Eat, drink, observe, and then select the best to the one lofts and to the fraternities. That's the best you can do. You give them great care. You try to de-stress the breeders so they can do their job as parents to feed these little young ones. Health is great. Droppings are great. I've yet to see a loose dropping yet. Knock on wood. Pretty dope. A lot of these guys are going to the Texas races. Black Gold, Texas Dash for Cash, Cuevas, and might try out the new race, Texas Longhorn. I think I timed these guys correctly for the Texas races. Oh, and San Juan Mountain Classic in Colorado as well. But yeah, everybody's looking good. Everybody's doing well. Young birds are healthy. They're learning very fast to eat, drink. They'll probably ship out the young birds in mid-April, late April here to the one-off races. See? Oh, here we go. Sorry guys. Dropping. Fresh dropping. That one stepped on, but very nice droppings. Looks good, guys. Everyone. It's all about the first round young birds. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna spend a little time with these guys. A little naughty one here. They're very naughty right now, very adventurous and everything. Once they want to fly on you and then they want to get off you. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Just a little update on the young birds, how they are. Breeders are on the second rounds. Some of the second rounds have already hatched already. And I think that will be it for the year. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, please like, share, and subscribe. See you all in the next video. Cha Brothers Loft.